Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for June 10th, 2014. And yesterday we were talking about a stalled frontal boundary that's going to sit over top of our region and still affect our coverage area with some slow-moving showers and thunderstorms. That boundary was actually associated with a very weak area of low pressure. It was draped right across the area just like this, and this is not going to move. It just has stalled, and it's the only good thing about today versus yesterday is we're looking at this front dissipating. So this front low pressure is going to dissipate because it's not completely out of here, and it's going to take its time doing so. Before it completely dissipates. Still an opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm to pop up here on our afternoon, especially on Tuesday. Best chance for that's going to be our northern areas, and that's in the vicinity of the area the low pressure that has dissipated. So just some isolated pop-up storms here on Tuesday. NAM's actually pretty aggressive with it, but I think it's going to be a little bit more isolated than what's shown here. As we get into Wednesday, we're going to have the same idea. We're going to have winds that are going to be out of the south, so we're going to have temperatures. They're going to climb a little bit here with high pressure moving in. And we're going to have some storms, I think, that are going to be concentrated over central PA on Wednesday, and the NAM's showing that as well. We're a little bit further here, and you can see these storms firing over basically central PA, and this is ahead of a warm front that's going to be moving through in the overnight hours Wednesday night. Let's go over to the GFS now. Here's the isolated threat of a pop-up thunderstorm here on Tuesday. As you get to Wednesday, same idea here on the eastern side of the state here. Central PA will get into those storms. And then as we get into Thursday here, the warm front's going to move through. Now it's hard to see exactly where this warm front is here, but at this point, this is the low pressure system. The warm front's actually sitting here like this, so it's gonna push in through to the northeast, and then once that pushes through, you're going to be into the showers and thunderstorms as well. This is more scattered here on Thursday, and then we get into Friday. The cold front that is associated with that low pressure system is sitting back here like this. So this cold front is going to push through, and out ahead of it, you'll have the showers and thunderstorms that are going to be scattered again, mainly in the afternoon and evening on Friday. But we're going to stay warm through the period here. We're going to stay at or above normal through the entire forecast period. We're not looking anything below normal temperatures. But one thing that we can say about this cold front after the showers and thunderstorms end overnight on Friday night, excuse the birds here, I'm actually recording this outside, the high pressure is going to move in here behind this, coming in from the Great Lakes. This is kind of getting to be a reoccurring theme here for the weekends now. We have an opportunity to have our fourth consecutive excellent weekend with no rain and low humidity. Here's this high pressure is going to be sinking down to the southeast. It's going to set up our coverage area right on Sunday. So you might have some early clouds to start, depending on how fast this front clears here, but I do think it clears out pretty quickly. So many early clouds are left over in our eastern areas, especially, will give way to sunshine on Saturday with low humidity. And then we get a little bit further on Sunday, and you can see high pressure sitting right over top of our coverage area. Absolutely gorgeous day with sinking air. Very strong high pressure, too, so very little in the way of cloud cover. So it's going to be a fantastic weekend once again, it looks like. And just get out and enjoy it, because that's going to be, if you were, unless you're a limited box the last 3 weekends in a row, I mean, you've seen how nice it was, and this is going to be another carbon copy of that with temperatures slightly above normal for this time of year. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for June 10th, 2014. Have a great Tuesday.